Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, a temple of learning where we are learning moral values, ethics, good habits. I hope in this lockdown period you're helping your parents, your family members, you're taking care of yourself. Don't go out. As you know, you all know that we shouldn't go out and all. You are doing that, I know that. Better you spend your time more in your studies because it is a good opportunity to spend time with the books and avail this lockdown period. I know my children will do this. And children, in last class, we discussed about the letter, Patra Lekhanam. The first letter we have learned Pustaka Preshana Vishaye Patram, in which we have learned how, when we want to order some books to the publisher, how we'll write the letter to the director of that particular publisher. Today we'll learn the second letter of our portion. It is Jwarartasya Virama Grahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. That means you are suffering from the fever and you are writing a letter to the principal. So you all know that how to write leave letter and all. We know the letter writing. In earlier classes also you must have learned this letter, but in this intermediate, what is that you have to write the letter. Since it is the second language, you have to Sanskrit is your second language, you have to write the letter in Sanskrit. So first the topic is Jwarartasya Virama Grahanaya. Virama Grahanaya means, Viram means leave. Grahana means for taking leave, you are writing a letter. Abhyarthana Patra means request. You are requesting to grant your holiday or leave. So first, as we have learned in earlier classes also, first on the top, what we will write the place from where we are writing the letter. So that is on the top right side, we'll write the place's name. The place is okay. So the place name is Raja Mahendravaram. Raja Mahendravaram, we tell it Rajahmundry, Raja Mahendravaram, the place name. Okay, and again what we will write, we have learned in last class, no? We will write the date, means Dinankaha. Dinankaha. In front of Dinankaha, we will put 3 cross. Okay? This part is over. The first starting of the letter, what will you write? Rajamahendravaram, the place from where you are writing the letter, your city is Rajamahendravaram. So you are writing the letter from Rajamahendravaram, then Dinanka date on which you are writing the letter. The next part of the letter, so we will address the person to whom we are writing the letter. So first, as we write in English letter and Hindi letter, in English letter to the principal, this college, this area, like that. In Sanskrit also we'll write what we'll write? Savidhe. Savidhe means to the Pradhanadhyapika. Pradhanadhyapaka means principal. Or Pranshupalaha. Pranshupalaha means principal. Okay? From which college or school he is the principal? He is Prabhutva means government. Prabhutva junior. Junior. उच्च माध्यमिक कलाशाला. उच्च माध्यमिक कलाशाला. कलाशाला means college. And where this college is? In Rajamahendra Varam. So first we have started with the place, then Dinanka, after that Savidhe, Pradhanadhyapakaah or Pranshupalaha, Prabhutva Junior, Uच्च Madhyamik Kalashala, Rajamahendra Varam. This is the address. Now, next step of the letter is now, as in English letter we address no sir or ma'am, respected sir or ma'am. So we'll write Manyaha means respected sir. Manyaha. Vishay means subject, on which topic you are writing the letter. What is the Vishay? What is the subject of the letter? That is Viramasya Krite. Viramasya Krite means for leave. For leave. Viram means leave. Krite Abhyarthana. Viramasya Krite Abhyarthanam means request. Request for leave. Abhyarthanam. Now we'll write the body of the letter. What is the matter you will write? Let's write. After this, we'll write the matter. Why you are taking the leave? What happened to you? How many days you want the leave? So we'll write all the details in the body of the letter. So aham means मैं या फिर me. Let's write first. Aham. Asmin means this. Asmin Kalashalayam. Kalashalayam. Prathama Samvatsaram. First year. Prathama Samvatsaram. Samvatsaram Pathami. I am studying in this college. Inter first year or first year. Pathami. Okay. Aham. Sorry. Aham Asmin Kalashalayam Prathama Samvatsaram Pathami. Mama means my. Swasthyam means health. Samyak Nasti. My health is not well. What happened to you? You are telling that your health is not well. So what happened to you? Aham means me. Aham jwaram, jwaren. Jwar means jwaram in Telugu, fever. Jwaren pidito bhavami. I am suffering from fever. Ataha, so Vishranti svikartum, for taking rest. Vishranti svikartum mahyam means for me. Dinatrayam, for 3 days. Dina means day, trayam means 3. 3 days. Dinatrayam. Dinatrayam. From when to when? From this date to 3 days. Taha, this date. You will keep 3 crosses only. Paryantam, till. Paryantam. Paryantam. Viramam means leave. Viramam. Yachantu. Iti. Sadara pranamapurvakam. Vigyapayami. Here, aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. I am studying in this college, first year in. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. My health is not well. Aham jwarena pidito bhavami. I am suffering with fever. Ataha, so vishranti svikartum mahyam dinatrayam, from this date to this date. Paryantam viramayachantam iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. It is my humble request to you, sir, that kindly grant me leave for 3 days. Dinatrayam means 3 days. This is your, let us few. Next is children, while writing languages, your handwriting should be very neat and tidy. Your presentation should be very exact and clearly. No spelling mistake should be there. I'm telling you again and again, you practice well over writing this Sanskrit. Halant, visargas are very, very important in Sanskrit. So you practice at home. Use this holiday time. Okay? So last part. Mama anupasthiti samaye, when I will be absent to the school, अनुपस्थिति समये पाठ्यमानान् मित्र सकशात् ज्ञात्वा अहं पठिष्यामि। मम अनुपस्थिति समये पाठ्यमानान् पाठान् मित्र सकशात् ज्ञात्वा अहं पठिष्यामि means when I'll be absent to the school, I'll ask the syllabus and the portion to friends and I'll complete my portion. Now again, sadhanyavadam. Purnaviram. And again, bhavatam. भवतां विधेयः we write no yours obedient student, that is bhavatam vidheyah chhatrah. Again your name, nama, you won't write anything here, just dash dash dash. अनुक्रम संख्या, क्रम संख्या means roll number, अनुक्रम संख्या प्रभुत्व junior, here you will write your college name. After this anukrama sankhya, you need to write your college name. College name is Prabhutva Junior Kalashala. उच्च माध्यमिक कलाशाला राजमहेंद्रवरम. That is your letter. In English also you write in same format. So let's revise the letter once again. So letter is Jwarartasya Viramagrahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. You are suffering from fever and you are writing a letter to your principal. First, we'll start with the place Rajamahendra Varam. Next, Dinankaha. Dinanka, in front of Dinanka, you will put 3 or 4 crosses. Now, Savidhe, to the Pradhanadhyapakaha or Pranshupalaha. Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kalashala Rajamahendravaram. This is your college address. Manya means respected sir or madam. Vishaya, subject of the letter. Viramasya krite, for leave. Viram means leave. Krite abhyarthanam means request letter. Aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. I am studying first year in this college. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. My health is not well. Aham jwarena pidito bhavami. I am suffering from fever. Ata vishranti svikartum mahyam dinatrayam. For taking rest, for me, dinatraya means 3 days. From this day to this paryantam, viramam yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Mama anupasthiti samaye, when I was absent to school, pathyamanana pathan mitra sakashat gyatva aham pathishyami. When I'll be absent to school, I'll ask my friends, classmates what about the syllabus and complete my portion. Sadhanyavadam. Bhavatam vidheyaha chhatra, your obedient student. Nama means name. Anukrama sankhya means roll number. Prabhutva Junior Uच्च Madhyamik Kalashala Rajamahendra Varam. Children, this is your second letter. So these 2 letters, last class letter, Pustaka Preshana Vishaye Patram and Jwararthasya Viramagrahanaya Patram, these 2 letters are very, very important. 2 more letters are there, but we'll learn those letters when offline session will be starting. Meanwhile, you prepared these 2 letters very thoroughly. These 2 letters are very, very important for the next academic. For this academic. So I'm quite sure that you will be doing your best in Sanskrit language. It's very easy. Just need practice. Though it is first time you are learning this language. So do well, practice well, and study well at home and use your time, children. Thank you.